Hello YouTube, Eric DIY here with another review for you. We are reviewing the Yogi Prime Backseat Organizer. Now as you can see, it basically just straps on to the back of your back seat in your car. This is on a Honda CR-V, and some great features are that it has 4 pockets, 3 with Velcro enclosures and 1 that can just be open. The way that I'm using this is I'm using it for the stuff that stays in my car permanently, like my air compressor. I have a couple of rags here in case I have to do work on the car when I'm out and about. In the middle pocket, the all important jumper cables, which fit in conveniently right there. And finally, I just put the bungee cords I like to have in here so that I can get bungee cords. There's actually even more room in these pockets for things. When you set it up, you notice that it straps onto the headrests right here and right there, and you want to pull those very tight. It has an adjuster right here. You just pull on this and then you can tuck in back here to make it look good. And on the underside of this, it has Velcro so that stays in place. Very durable. It has a plastic backing here which keeps it straight, so it's not going to flop all around. And as you can see, when you install it right, it looks really, really good. That is my review of the Yogi Prime Backseat Organizer. It's a great product. It's really cleaned up the back of my trunk. I will be using it for a long time. So other than what I use it for, I mean, you can use it for anything. You put toys back here. You can put just little knickknacks that you need on a weekend retreat or anything like that. So it's a very highly flexible use product. Definitely saves me room. And also, I'm still able to put down the back seats if I need to for more room. Great product. If you would like to buy the Yogi Prime Backseat Organizer, please look for a link in the description below. You'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your own. And I just want to say thank you for watching and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.